What if I told you that every time you look up at the night sky, you are seeing only a tiny corner of something enormous, something so big that even light takes 100,000 years to cross it? Today, we are exploring 5 amazing facts about the Milky Way and the universe beyond it. And by the end, you will understand not just what makes it incredible, but why it matters. First, our galaxy is huge, but mostly empty. The Milky Way is home to roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. That sounds impossible to picture, but here is the key. Most of that space is emptiness. The nearest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. If the Sun were the size of a grape, the nearest star would still be thousands of kilometers away. That emptiness is what makes space travel so difficult. It is not just the distance, it is the sheer scale of the gaps. Why this matters? When astronomers look for planets or signals from other civilizations, they are searching across enormous empty spaces, which is why even finding one Earth-like planet is such a big deal. Second, the Milky Way has a supermassive black hole at the center. Right at the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius, a star, a black hole with the mass of about 4 million suns. A black hole is not a cosmic vacuum cleaner. It does not suck everything in from far away. Its gravity is extreme only when you get very close. That is why stars can orbit it safely at great distances, like planets orbiting the Sun. Why this matters? Black holes help shape galaxies. They influence how stars move, how gas behaves, and how galaxies evolve over time. Third, we are moving through space at incredible speed. Even though it feels like we are standing still, Earth is spinning, orbiting the Sun, and the entire solar system is racing around the Milky Way at about 828,000 kilometers per hour. That means every second, you are not just sitting on a planet. You are part of a moving system on a galactic roller coaster. Why this matters? Understanding motion in space is how scientists predict eclipses, launch spacecraft, and map the structure of the galaxy. It is also why GPS works so precisely. It has to account for motion, gravity, and relativity. Fourth, the Milky Way is colliding with another galaxy. Our galaxy is on a slow-motion collision course with Andromeda, our nearest large galactic neighbor. In about 4 to 5 billion years, the two will merge. This sounds dramatic, but individual stars are so far apart that direct star collisions are extremely unlikely. Instead, the galaxies will gradually mix, reshape, and form a new giant galaxy. Why this matters? Galaxy collisions are one of the main ways the universe builds larger structures. They trigger star formation, redistribute gas, and reveal how cosmic evolution works. Fifth, beyond the Milky Way, the universe is full of galaxies like ours and far stranger things. What we can observe contains roughly 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions or even trillions of stars. Some galaxies are calm spirals like ours. Others are chaotic, stretched, or violently active. And beyond galaxies, there are mysterious things we are still trying to understand. Dark matter, which seems to hold galaxies together, and dark energy, which is driving the expansion of the universe. Why this matters? The universe is not just bigger than we imagined, it is also more mysterious. Learning about it pushes technology forward, from better telescopes to better sensors, data analysis, and even navigation systems. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you are seeing one galaxy out of trillions, living in a system moving at incredible speed near a black hole, in a universe still full of unanswered questions. And that might be the most amazing fact of all. We are not just in the universe, we are trying to understand it. 5 amazing facts about the Milky Way and the universe beyond it is just one small part of Galaxies Milky Way and beyond. If you are interested, our full free Galaxies Milky Way and Beyond course is linked in the description.